Today we are going to be making one of my family's most favorite meals, Bang Lingcod. Dietary guidelines suggest that we should be eating fish at least twice a week, and over 90% of Americans do not reach that mark. This is a great way to do that. Even my pickiest eater absolutely loves this meal, and maybe that's because it's deep fried and smothered in bang sauce, but either way, with a simple and super delicious recipe like this, it is easy to hit that 2-day-a-week mark for eating fish. First, we are gonna cut our lingcod into bite-sized pieces, probably about that big. Once our lingcod is cut up into bite-sized pieces, we are gonna mix up our flour dredge. We have 1.5 cups of flour, your favorite seasoning, salt, garlic powder, baking soda, and baking powder. We're just gonna mix everything in here, whisk everything together. Next, for our egg wash, we're just gonna take 1 egg and 1 cup of milk. Now that we have our flour mixture put together and our egg mixture put together, we are gonna dredge our lingcod pieces in flour. We're just gonna give them a gentle toss in there so they're perfectly evenly coated. Then from our flour, we are going to dredge everything into our egg and milk mixture, shaking off excess flour as we go. And then from our egg wash, we're gonna transfer everything to our panko crumbs. This is what's gonna give the lingcod such a good crunch. Just the same as we did with our flour, we're gonna shake off any excess egg. And one last time, we are just gonna gently toss our lingcod pieces in our panko crumbs. The great thing about this recipe is this lingcod will be ready in just a few minutes. It's so quick, so simple, and so delicious. This Bang Lingcod is so easy. You can certainly use an air fryer for this recipe if you have one. I will be deep frying it today because we love it deep fried. But while my oil is heating up, I'm gonna whip up the Bang sauce to drizzle on top as soon as it's out of the fryer. We're gonna take mayonnaise, that sweet chili sauce, a little Frank's Red Hot, and some rice wine vinegar. If you have not had this before, it's a must try. These are gonna fry up super fast, and then it'll be ready to eat. There we go. First batch. Look at those. They're so beautiful. Last but certainly not least, we are gonna drizzle our Bang sauce all over our lingcod. It is gonna be sweet and spicy, so delicious.